Hello and welcome. This is Jamie from Master Addons. In this video, I am going to show you how to work with image carousel element by Master Addons for Elementor plugin. Make sure you have enabled this image carousel element from Addons Manager. Then navigate to your page editor and search for image carousel. Drag this image carousel element inside your editor and you are ready to go. Just upload your images as a gallery and then insert gallery, and that's all. You can define how many images you like to showcase from this carousel settings. Slides per column 4, let's give it 3, and let's navigate to image, and for the size let's make it full size. And here you can see a little icon. If you just click on this icon, it will open a pop-up for its original image. You can easily disable this system by disabling enable lightbox gallery option. Let's disable this one and navigate to our navigation area, and here by default this arrow is selected. Then you can enable this show scroll bar. Here you can see a scroll bar area. This is our scroll bar. If you just next, and it will be move forward. Then if you select dots, you will see only dots. Let's hide this scroll bar. There is our dots. Just click and watch. Then we have the progress, and then you can select none. If you select none, then there will be no arrow, no dot, no progress bar. It will be a automatic loop for your image carousel. Also you can select arrows and fraction. Then you can see a number 1 or 7. If you click on next, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7 out of 7. This is how arrows and fraction works. You can hide arrows on mobile devices. Let's navigate to mobile view. As you can see, our arrow is hidden. Now if I move back to desktop view, then you can see the arrow is here. That's how the navigation works. If you navigate to carousel settings, here as I have shown you, search per column, you can select 4 or 5 images per column. Then also select 1 or maybe 2 per column. Let's keep the 3. And then layout, carousel or cover flow. If you select cover flow, this is how the cover flow style actually works. You can select 5, and this is how the cover flow works for 5 in a single column. Let's keep with our carousel and 3, then auto hide and autoplay. You can disable the autoplay if you don't like this image should be played automatically. And now you have to click on this arrow to play. Let's disable this. Now we have grab cursor option. Just enable this and you can easily grab any image and move forward or move backward. And then we have our drag free mode. Just drag a little bit and it will move forward. And here you can define your animation speed. Then let's navigate to our style area. You can enable background or border for your image carousel items. I am selecting border solid and 2 pixel. As you can see, here is a black border. Also you can define the color for your border. Then border radius, define the border radius. And then padding, you can also use padding for your border and image. And then item gap, you can define the item gap. You can define this gap by using item gap values. Just decrease this gap and you can see it's reducing. If you enable this gap value, it will be increased. And then you can define the opacity of your image elements. Let's navigate to navigation. Here is the arrow. You can define the arrow color. Let's make it white, and the arrow background, let's make it black. And on hover, you can define the different color. Let's keep the color red and background something bluish. And as you can see how it actually works. And then you can define the fraction color and the offset values. I hope you got a clear idea on how to work with this image carousel element by Master Addons. If you still have any question regarding this element, feel free to get in touch with us via our support forum or comment below in this video. We will try our best to assist you.